CNC tire and auto service. Part of our 2020 goals was to donate a car to someone in the community, and not a better person for it, Chris Conway, which I've honked at over the years many times driving by, right in my day, but we feel good like we do for a lot of people. So it's awesome. You're the person for this.
And I am super excited for it. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. But what better way to thank you with dance and putting more smiles out there?
That's what it's all about, passing the smiles around. So we're going to back up, take our masks off, keep our distance so you can see us. How did you get started? You've been doing this for a number of years, right?
Yes, sir. I've been doing this for about going on 6 years. It started off with me walking to work. I was like hopping off some moves as I went, people started honking and stuff like that, but then it didn't really pop off until I got into a car accident back in 2019. The beginning of 2019, I lost a friend. Bad car accident, no one was under the influence of anything. It was cold and rainy, and I guess because it was on New Year's, so I'm guessing I can't remember if it was slushy or not, but we accidentally overturned and ended up on the other side of traffic, and we got T-boned. From then, my life flashed before my eyes, struck a nerve in me that said, life is too short. I want to get out here and do what I can to make other people's lives a lot better and just change the world as I can, if I can, but by doing what I can do and put out there in the world.
Okay, I know what Chris does for a number of years. Puts a smile on my face. I see him on the way to work. I see him on the way home. Some of you may not know what he does. He's going to show us.
Pull up skirt on your body, performing just like my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up, by the leader. You keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Like let me take you dancing. Two step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything can happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.